The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Subaru Forester Wilderness, and we've got sort of a combination of different items here. So the base system is a Thule WingBar Evo rack, which we have a separate video for that you can check out with the link in the description below. And then attached to that, we have the customer's Yakima LockNload. So this happens to be the smaller 55 by 49 inch platform. There is a fitment that's a direct connect using the Yakima Timberline tower. The platform would be a 60 by 54 inch, and that would result in a little bit lower profile, but this particular customer wanted the system to be a little bit further back, and smaller, not so much overhang, so they opted to go this route. So again, it's the Yakima LockNload on top of the Thule roof rack. For more details, click on the link in the description below, and like always, thanks for watching.